Okay, thanks for joining the video. So today we're going to play with the stylize command in Midjourney. And the purpose of this is to give us different types of levels of creativity. So Midjourney is really good at giving us fun results or interesting kind of images, but we want to be able to give it direction on what's the level of creativity to inject into whatever we're asking for. And we want to do that with the stylize command. So that's at the end of the prompt, we just write --stylize, and then you can give it a number. Now, we want to do a big project with lots of different versions. So we're going to use the permutation command to do that. And I've already copied something and I want to punch it in real quick. And so we've got our prompt here, which is woman, close-up detail, webcam image, exaggerated color, high saturation, pop art inspired, cross-processing with hints of solarization. And then we're going to stylize by 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 250, 500, 750, 1,000. So that's 10 different levels of creative juice that we're going to shove into Midjourney. And let's see what we get. So all I got to do is hit return, and here we go. And it asks us, hey, you sure you want to do it? And the answer is yes. So we hit yes, and then here we go. And it's going to do all of these. Now, as it's creating the images, it is not going to give it to them, you know, in the order. So it won't be 10, then 20, then, 40. It'll just, as it's randomly doing them, it gives us the results. So sometimes you got to go back and forth and see what you get. And of course, the level 1000 is going to be probably a little more creative than level 10. And so we're going to, once it's done, we'll show you the difference between each. And then you can see what we mean by this. So as you can see, it's building the images right here, and it'll be finished here in a minute. And is that done? Okay, great. So let's find level 10. Okay, where's that? It's right here. So here's level 10 for creativity. So these look pretty good. Okay, I don't know which one you like the best. I really like the one down here in level grid 3. That looks pretty interesting, very dramatic. Some of these are really kind of cool. I like the first one here. It's kind of off center a little bit. That looks kind of interesting. Let's find level 1000 and compare. So where's that? Level 500. Here's level 1000. And level 1000 has, I don't know, all kinds of stuff going on with their faces. So I don't know which one you like the best. I like the kind of one with the paint dripping a little bit, but what is all this stuff on their faces? I don't know. It looks very interesting, but this is how the creativity stylization command works. So you just need to kind of play with it and try it. And of course, it can be any number. So again, let's roll back to what we started with. I'll scroll up a little bit. So you can see here's our prompt. And then we have --stylize, and then 10, 20, 40, blah, 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 all the way to 1000, right? So you can put any number you want. It doesn't have to be these numbers. It could be 13. It could be 73. It could be whatever number you want. And then you can get some pretty interesting images. So just scrolling through real quick, you can see the different stylization. The ones that go higher the number, they get kind of, more creative. I like the one here where it just kind of shows the eye. That's kind of interesting. So I don't know which one you guys like the best. So anyway, thanks for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe to the Midjourney Experience newsletter. We'd love to see you next time, and take care. Thanks for watching.